Okay, so today, Tuesday, the 23rd of June, and today's the day that our cherry tree finally departs. Let me just get around this. Okay, there we go. So that's our lovely little cherry tree, only it's not so little. And in fact, the only reason we're getting rid of it is because it's damaging our property, because the roots are probably 4 foot wide and thick, and they are ripping up the concrete and getting underneath our back house and going underneath our conservatory and ripping up all our floors. So it's got to go. So we had a party last night to say goodbye to the tree, which was nice. We had a bit of a tree hugging party, and now the guys are here to start the process of chopping it down. I will keep up the progress for you and show the after show party. Quite sad, but you know, it's probably the oldest tree in the street and very likely has been here for years. It's not one tree at some point in its life, but it's always sustained us. The birdies will suffer because they'll no longer have cherries, so they'll have no food. But to be fair, I'll be saving the birdies because the birdies become very brash and coming into the garden and risking getting caught by Gypsy. So, but they have had all the cherries this year, the birdies, so they've had good feasts this year with our cherries. So, and that's the first lockdown. So it's hello cherry tree, we loved you, but it's time to move on. I might just replace you with a hot tub.